What's going on, people? This your boy KP from KP Reptiles. So, people, this is me just showing up to Buddy the Nile Monitor's enclosure. Right? I haven't been in here yet. This is my first walk-in, so let's go see how he's doing. Seem to be doing well. Right? And clean the water out, so I don't know if you can see him, but there he is. See, they dirty up that water. Every time you clean it, they'll dirty it right back up. So, holla at your boy. Let's see if we can get Buddy the Nile Monitor out of here. What's going on, buddy? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and climb on in here. And it's been pretty easy dealing with Buddy the Nile Monitor. Right, I built this enclosure so I can get in here with him. And, you know, being in here with your Nile Monitor definitely makes him feel more comfortable and not so jumpy, because he could see my whole body at this point. Instead of just my hand, he could see my hand extend and touch him. What's up, buddy? You're good. Good boy. So one helpful tip is, you know, to pet your Nile Monitor and not give him your hand. I don't serve him my hand as food like I do the food, so. All right, buddy, you want to go outside? All right, let's go get him outside and get him to stretch his legs. So I'll see you people outside. Let's go ahead. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Don't get too excited. Come on, let's go. Let's go take a walk. Come on, let's go, buddy. Come on. All right, people. We made it outside. Let's go ahead and get Buddy on the ground because he's being super difficult. Because he loves his walks outside, so. Alright, we just let him go in the backyard. Now, when I take him out places, I do recommend putting the harness on him. I got a little Chihuahua harness, and it's made for the Chihuahua. They don't make like a Nile Monitor harness, which would be totally awesome if you had, you know, a Nile Monitor harness for sale. So, that might be something to go ahead and invest in. But I got Buddy here in the backyard. Let him go walk around. There's a fence over here. And what he'll try to do is, the fence is all the way past the dirt, so he can't get underneath it. So what he'll do is he'll climb this gate. So me and Buddy have been back here walking several times. And what he'll do is he'll observe this whole backyard. And he'll study it. And he'll look for all the weak points. And after that, he realized that there ain't too many weak points on this gate that I haven't went over. So he can't get out. But Nile Monitors are escape artists. They are very good at what they do whenever they get out. They sneak around, sneak up on animals, maybe catch other things while he's out here in the back. That's why I don't leave him alone. You can't leave him alone. And he has sharp nails, so he's good at burrowing. Right? He could dig a hole faster than you could think. And then he'll get in it, and he'll just wait you out. So, holla at your boy. You see how big he is getting now. He's getting nice and healthy because, you know, we do these walks all the time. And he gets that natural sunlight. And look, he gets to stretch his legs. Tell you the truth, look how long he's been walking now. Right? If he had the foot stepper, you'll be surprised how many steps he got in. Look at that. He's headed for the crack over here in the gate. I don't want you to go in there, okay? I even put rocks down here so you can't get out, okay? Come on, buddy. So I just walk around him several times to let him feel comfortable. You see, we've been walking with him this whole time. You've been walking and talking. And the thing is, you know, he needs to be able to feel your vibrations around him. He needs to be able to know it's you. So, you know, as he's out here in the backyard, I occasionally come over here and touch him. And, you know, I walk up on him and let him know that I'm going to touch him. And then, you know, I do give him his distance. So he can, you know, walk around and decide what he's going to do. Just to know what he's going to do. And look, you don't see him blazing off anywhere. He's going to do this nice little slow stalk. But what he's doing is He's studying the gate. You see, look. He's studying that gate. And he's just trying to see all the ways that he can possibly get through that gate and get to the other side. And I can tell you this, when he finds out he ain't gonna know where he's gonna want to go, he has nowhere to go. He ain't gonna mess with the neighbor's cat. So look, come on, let's go up to Buddy right now. Right? What's up, Buddy? There's nothing happening. See, he gets all scared. And you want to let him know that nothing's going to happen. I touch you like this. See, look. Touch you all nice, Buddy. Look, all on the chin. He rubs his chin on my hand. He licks around with his tongue. And then he moves on to what he want to do, see? He want to go. He want to walk around and enjoy himself outside, so. What's up, Buddy? He don't want me to touch him, so he'll curl his tail up. Alright, people. You see my Nile monitor? I had him ever since he was a baby. Had him for a couple years. And then, you know, after you just keep feeding him and walking him and feeding him and walking him, as long as you do, you know, the stuff you're supposed to do, just almost the same as a dog. You know, you have a dog, take your dog outside to walk, get some exercise, because everybody on YouTube was saying that Buddy was starting to get fat. And it's not mine, it's not fat, it's not mine, it's fit. Holla at your boy, look at him. See, he's even getting faster on his walks. We're on lap 2 right now, so make sure y'all go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Buddy ain't gonna do nothing but keep getting bigger and growing. Today is Friday, so I do love to feed him on Fridays. So what I normally have to do is take him out, let him get some exercise, give him a good bath, scrub him down, clip his nails, and then I'll put him in the studio, back in his enclosure, and I turn on music sometimes. You know, I got music playing inside the studio, and I guess they sit over there and listen to music. I don't play it too loud, but I play it loud enough for him to hear him. And I can tell you this, it really calms them down a lot. Having them listen to music, it calms them down a lot. And, you know, they come out and they look to it. They respond to it. You know, you don't see them respond to it in any negative ways where, you know, they'll be hitting the tank or getting disturbed by it. But they come out and they look around. And, you know, they're not dancing or anything like that, but they're showing attention to it. It even brings the tagoo out of the dirt. So if I had the music playing and I come back 5-10 minutes later, tagoo is out of the dirt and he's up looking around. So holla at your boy, people. Make sure y'all tell a friend. Make sure y'all hit that like button. We outside with Buddy the Nile monitor. And later we're going to go ahead and try to feed him. Look, he's getting his tail ready to try to whack me. Because now we just walked around the whole backyard. The whole backyard. And he is disturbed by all of this walking. It's got to be tiring him out. So now monitors don't really move, you know, too much like walking around. You know, some people just keep them all caged up and in the enclosure. Okay? Come on, buddy. Let me pick him up off the ground. See how tough it is to get him up. Look at that. Not tough at all. I clip him to my pants. And then we're just going to go ahead and bring him to the tub, right? It's just tub time. So, all right, let's go. Holla at your boy, people. Make sure y'all hit that like button. It's Buddy the Nile monitor. Go ahead and subscribe if you're new to my channel. You already see the care and the love that I give to my animals. Peace out, people. Look at, he's still not done walking.